Hey kid! What runs but never gets tired? It's water. Water is the most valuable substance on Earth. We couldn't live without it. It fills our lakes, rivers, and oceans. It's in the food we eat and the air we breathe. Nearly 3/4 of our planet is covered in water, and it makes up about 70% of our bodies. The smallest unit of water is a molecule. There are billions of molecules in a single drop of water. A water molecule is comprised of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That's why scientists call water H2O. Water is present in 3 different states. A state describes a physical condition of a thing. When water's cold, it's a solid, like this ice sculpture. When water's warm, it's a liquid, like this waterfall. And when water's hot, it's a gas, like the steam rising from this geyser. So water exists as a solid, liquid, or gas. Water is always on the move. The constant movement of water is called the water cycle. When the sun heats water in the oceans, some of it evaporates, forming clouds. The water falls to the earth as rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Some of this water falls into lakes and rivers, while some seeps into the ground, becoming groundwater. Over time, the water in the rivers and lakes and the groundwater travel back to the oceans, and that completes the water cycle. In Idaho, we use a lot of groundwater. Groundwater is water stored beneath the Earth's surface. It hangs out in the soil, gravel, sand, and rock with holes called porous rock. We dig wells to get groundwater from giant pools called aquifers. An aquifer is a large source of water stored beneath the Earth's surface. We also store water by making lakes, called reservoirs. Reservoirs are made by building dams to keep water from flowing away, and by digging large holes in the ground to collect rainwater. Water stored in reservoirs can be used to turn a wheel or a turbine to produce electricity. Water can be very powerful. Even a little water over a long period of time can make a huge change in the landscape. When running water wears away soil, it's called erosion. Rivers can form canyons through erosion. Erosion made places like Hell's Canyon. Water can do a lot of damage to human-made things, too. Heavy rains can cause floods and landslides. Water is so powerful, it can even break a dam.
Caving is just coming apart. And the water is monumental. Holy, great. People downstream better get out.
97% of the Earth's water is salt water. The remaining 3% of Earth's water is fresh water, but most of the fresh water is frozen in glaciers and icebergs. So less than 1% of all the Earth's water is drinkable. And on average, each person uses about 80 to 100 gallons of water a day. Even making a hamburger takes a lot of water. It can take a lot of water to raise wheat for the bun, to grow hay for the cattle, and to process the bread and beef. Cheese, anyone? Dairy cows also drink water, and it's in the grass they eat. So scientists estimate it takes 660 gallons of water to make your hamburger.
That's a lot. Do we have enough water?
That's a good question. Sometimes we don't. Many parts of the world are in a drought. That is, they don't have enough rainwater for their crops and people. And sometimes we take water for granted. We pollute it with chemicals. And when water is contaminated, we can't drink it or cook with it, and it endangers animals and plants. And sometimes we can waste water by doing things like not turning off the faucet or letting our sprinklers run too long. We have a limited amount of clean water to eat and drink and to water our crops and animals. You need to do what you can to conserve water and keep it clean.
Okay, here's a riddle for you. What did the ocean say to the sea?
I don't know.
It didn't say anything. It just waved.